In this video, I have my brother's 2009 Street Glide. What's happening is when he goes to start the engine, the starter motor is making a grinding noise. Let me show you what it sounds like when it starts. You can actually hear it. So I don't know if you can hear it, but it makes like a noise, I guess. So definitely something's going on with that starter. Chances are it's going to be the starter drive. From what I understand, the starter motor drive, the bearings tend to wear out. Bearings, bushings, whatever they're called. Pretty sure that's what it is. Let's get started on it. Let's get that primary cover off, check that flywheel, and then get that starter out of there. So the basic reason we took the cover off the primary is because I wanted to come in here and check the flywheel and make sure there was nothing grinding in this area. Better safe than sorry. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the battery, disconnect the electrical leads on the starter, and then remove the 2 bolts to get the starter out. So here's your starter. To get the starter motor out, you got to disconnect this plug here, unbolt the positive cable, and there's 2 bolts, one here and one here, that go into the primary housing. You're going to need a little screwdriver on the lip to pull this out. Once everything is taken off and unbolted, it slides right out from the right side. Real simple. So that's going to be it for today. The starter motor has been removed. We took off the primary cover housing. We inspected the flywheel. Looks really good in there. No damage whatsoever. So it looks like what it's going to need to be replaced. Starter drive mechanism. That's what we're going to be replacing on the next video. I got a new rebuild kit. Parts for this repair, not that expensive. I'll put links in the description area below. That's all I got for today. The next video, if it's posted, it'll be your top right hand corner. Click on that to check it out. Other than that, ride safe and have fun out there. God bless.